Welcome to our tutorial on customizing your MLB app experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to set your favorite team in the MLB app, ensuring you get quick access to team news, schedules, and live game updates. First, open the MLB app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon located at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Account Settings. After that, tap on My Players and Teams. Next, click on Add Your Favorite Team. A list of all MLB teams will appear. Then, browse through the list and select your preferred team. This action will set your chosen team as your favorite. Finally, once selected, your favorite team's page will open, displaying their latest news, schedule, and standings. From now on, the app will prioritize updates and notifications related to this team. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow baseball fans.